gang. We in the lab. We in the lab, gang. So yeah, this video is basically about how you can make money with these cars. See, I don't do it just for fun, man. I'm doing it to make some money. And I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you. So when you see me out, yes, I'm doing the drives and all that, but majority of the time, I'm in the lab. This is the laboratory where this is where all the good shit happens. All right. So in the moment, I'm doing some under the car work, doing some catalytic converter work, making sure that it's completely gutted. We gutted the cats, and then we're gonna also put a brand new starter because the starter on here is lagging. Also on the Trackhawk, we should be pulling it out soon, just for another drive around and just get it out. Give y'all some more light. Also, let me vent out this thing. So today, yeah, I was just doing some other little side work. Plastic welding today. Plastic welding this piece together. This is a Bentley project I'm working on. I'll show y'all at the garage, but at my second location. But here, man, I just basically, this is the lab where I, put motors in, whatever the Hellcats or the Trackhawk needs usually gets done here or at my other location. I also sell parts. I got the Scat Pack digital dash here. Got a lot of little Mopar parts, door switches. Just a whole bunch of different stuff that I had during this whole process. But yeah, so how you can make money doing this is, if you're mechanically inclined, you can basically do all the maintenance on it yourself, which I do. That's the only way I know that everything is done right. So yeah, combined with these two cars, you're looking at about 100,000 easy. I can probably get 50, 55 for this, 40, 45 for this. So it's definitely not a cheap hobby, but the video is about how can you make money. Well, if you look outside, I have cars for sale. So yeah, I'm a used car dealer. So that's how I make the money to fund this projects. So I've been selling cars for about 8 years now, legally. I was just selling old schools and just hustling on the side at first, but so yeah, I got 4 at here. I got 3 at the other location, where I'm doing a Hellcat build as well as a Bentley restoration. So I also got a little BMW there, and so I got about 3 or 4 other vehicles that I'm working on besides these main vehicles. So inside the Trackhawk, this car here just needed brakes. It needed brakes, brake calipers. All the brake calipers were missing. It needs some, there's some TLC bars on the outside, buffed it and waxed it. Let's see what else did this car need. I think that's all that I put into this vehicle, other than new rotors and brake pads. That's all I basically put into this car. Now this car, it came as a slim body. So I got the whole wide body kit. I had to get the wheels, get the kit, repaint it, put a brand new engine in it. So it's a lot of money in this car. I got about 34, maybe 33. If I can sell it for 39, I can make a quick 5,000-6,000. But a lot of labor went in it, so it's like, why would you sell it for $5,000? You know. So I'm holding on to it for right now. The other Hellcat project, I only have 20 in that. So if I sold for the same price, I could make more money on that car. So we'll see. So basically, I don't do this for fun. I do it for money. Every car in here you see here, I'm going to make money on. I'm not in here to play or waste a whole bunch of money. Tesla, Durango, Jeep over there. Got a new 2023 Silverado. We rebuilt the bikes. So Durango for sale. Somebody want $6,000. So that's pretty much it here at the house. So I just sell a few of them at a time. But yeah, you can make money just getting your dealer license, man. Like I say, you can get I have a location, an office location, and I basically obviously have my own garages where I can do my work. And then I go to IAA, I go to Copart. In the past, I went to Copart, but basically everything now is just IAA. And I basically bid on nothing but dealer cars. I don't really buy public cars because they go too much. So you better off dealing with somebody with a license. So if y'all want to, holler at me as far as, starting with me, and I can put you on how you can make profit on these cars. And but you can also just go to IAA on your own, just bid as a public bidder. So you really don't need nobody. You can do it on your own. But I can obviously give you a couple head starts to know what to look for and what not to look for. But yeah, man, I got about 8 cars at the moment. Majority of them are done. No major rebuilds at the time. Everything, as you can see, running drives. So yeah, that's how you can make money on these cars. It's not really so much on the public side. You can make money on the public side, but you're gonna make more buying cars that the public can't bid on. So this car, I did end up bidding against, I think, the public in North Carolina for this one, but I still got a good deal. That car, the orange Hellcat, was a Florida car, and you had to be a dealer to buy that. The Tesla over there, if y'all can see it out there, that was a public car, I think. So it's a few of them that you can get from the public, but every other car I got that are big money makers are not public cars. So stay away from the public cars and try to get you a car that, dealer only, where it's less competition out there. And I'm not saying that you can't find one in the public and do it without it, but the odds are slimmer. So yeah, so this video basically just tells you how you can make money with these Mopars. It's definitely having a location where you can store them. I don't keep none of my Mopars outside with the V8s. I only keep like the V6s outside. If y'all want the V6s, y'all can have them. But that's how you can make money, man. Having you some Hellcats and Scat Packs. I had those that I sold in the past, as well as just regular cars, Teslas, V6 Jeeps. It don't necessarily have to be fancy, so you can stack your money up with those. And then, like I said, I've been doing it for a minute, so now I got cars that I would prefer to have for my own. So I collect those, and then when I'm tired of them, I sell them. So that's pretty much it for this video. So my next video, I'll be at the other location and showing you the other projects that I'm working on. But yeah, man, everything in here is a profit. We're not in here playing around, doing it for shits and giggles. We're in here to make money. So every car you see will be sold eventually and will be profit. because I buy them wholesale, or if I do buy public, I make sure it's a good deal before I do buy it. I have over 8+ years in the auction experience, so that's how I'm able to weave around the good and the bad and try to stay with the majority of the good. Not saying I'm perfect. You will find a couple cars that you may run into that you may have to just get rid of or dump off back at the auction, but majority of the cars are profit vehicles. So that's how you make money with these Hellcats and Scat Packs and Trackhawks, is that you flip them. You know what I mean? It's all about the flip game. If you ain't about the flip game, you will be getting finessed at some point in time, whether it's repair work or tax tag and title. You will be spending money on these vehicles. So the only way that you can not get caught up in far as overspending is being a wholesaler like myself. So I hope that answers a few questions for y'all, how to make money doing this stuff. But I will be back with another video. Like, share, subscribe. If y'all have any questions about the flip game, as far as being a used car dealer, or even just being a repairer, you can be just a rebuilder. So if you want to be a rebuilder, I kind of do both, but it's money in both. So let me know what y'all think, and I'll be back with the next one.